Hanalyzer AI is a website that allows you to turn any file or data source into a professional analysis report in under 60 seconds. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. So essentially, we're being told here that we can upload anything, AI is going to analyze it and then export a report. I'm just going to click next. And we can see here the analysis that used to take hours can now take less than 60 seconds. So it supports any file format from CSVs to JSONs to audios and images. Interestingly, it's got 13 live data connectors, AI powered insights, and of course you can do it very quickly. Cool. If we go next, we can see here, we can just upload the file that we want. So I'm just going to do this, and then we'll take a look at what Hanalyzer AI can do for us. Okay, great. So now I've uploaded a random CSV that I got an LLM to generate for me about how AI is being used in businesses all over the world. I'm just going to click Start Analysis, and we'll see exactly what Hanalyzer AI can do for us here. So we can see here the files being processed. They're using OCR. For anyone who doesn't know, that's optical character recognition, which is basically how computers recognize text from images and and documents as well. We've got smart extraction, so we've got NLP plus ML, parsing, structure, and context. And then okay, cool. It looks like this has all been done. Interestingly enough, so we can see here a comprehensive analysis of AI business use cases across functions. So we can see this report provides an in-depth analysis of AI business use cases. And with a total of 29 records and a perfect data quality score of 100%, this data set reveals critical insights. Wow, this looks pretty cool. So we've got charts, distributions here. This all looks very sweet, I have to say. A few different graphs, AI tools and models, utilization, interesting stuff. We've also got some recommendations as well. Expand AI integration across emerging markets, interesting. Optimize AI tools for efficiency gain and enhance data-driven decision-making. We've got strategic analysis, risk assessment, future projections as well, and we can also generate an FAQ. Let's see what this looks like. I really like the fact that you can actually generate this FAQ to sort of get ahead of any potential questions that stakeholders will have. So what functions show high AI adoption levels, marketing and operations, of course, what technologies are widely used in AI applications.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
So NLP and predictive models are widely used. Okay, great stuff. And what phase are most AI applications currently in? So a lot of them are in the scaling phase. So I have to say, this is quite an impressive tool. There's a whole lot of things you can do here, and the fact that you can connect data from a wide variety of sources, I think is really cool. So definitely check out Hanalyzer AI if you think it would be useful for you.